This project took place in Malindi, Kilifi County, where Grecon successfully installed a 36 by 36 meter HDPE dam liner with a thickness of 0.5 millimeters. HDPE dam liners are available in different gauges, 0.5, 0.75 and 1 millimeter, each selected based on soil conditions, durability needs and intended use. For this site, the 0.5 mm liner was ideal due to its flexibility, UV resistance and suitability for long-term agricultural water storage, especially in well-prepared, fine soils. Before installation, proper ground preparation was carried out to ensure the liner's longevity. The area was thoroughly cleared of vegetation, sharp stones and debris that could cause punctures. The base was then leveled and compacted to create a smooth, stable surface. This step is critical, as a poorly prepared foundation can significantly reduce the lifespan of the liner and lead to avoidable damage. Once the site was ready, the liner was carefully positioned over the excavated dam. The material was unrolled gently to prevent tearing or abrasion and aligned from the center outward to ensure even coverage. Since the liner came in two sections measuring 36 by 18 meters, precision welding was carried out to form a seamless joint. Any folds or trapped air were smoothed out to ensure the liner conformed perfectly to the dam's shape, guaranteeing optimal water retention. The final installation stage involved anchoring the liner securely. A perimeter trench approximately 30 to 40 centimeters deep was excavated around the dam. The liner edges were tucked into the trench with allowance for movement caused by water pressure, then backfilled and compacted. Proper anchoring protects the liner from wind-up lift, slippage and external damage, ensuring long-term stability and performance. The final result is a durable, reliable water storage solution designed to support agricultural activities for years to come.